Right, so I'm going to talk through our typical school day. So elementary school is part of TKA. Now we're K to 12. So drop off starts at 7:30 because our campus open at 7:30. Drop off will be from 7:30 to 7:50. There will be teachers, administrators greet you in the morning. If you happen to have younger siblings or even pets that you bring along on the ride, we'll say hello to them. It's really important for us to build that community, get to know your family. So we'll help them out the car, and then we'll have a place where kids can play a little bit and just get ready for the school day. At 7:50, we are going to have a morning assembly. That's the entire school coming together. We are going to start our school day with the community. The learning community gather, and then we will recite a scripture for that week. And then we'll pray together, and then maybe there's a few announcements there. But we do want to start our day with God's words and prayer and blessing into our school day, because you all know that school day can be a little messy. It can be a little frustrating. It could be a little tiring. So it would be great to start a morning with community, knowing that they're supported and knowing that God is with them throughout the day. And then class starts. Now, as you think about the school day, there's a couple of different components I want to dive into. You definitely have your core classes, unless you're a homeroom teacher who will take care of your student. They'll have time together as a class community. They will explore a different subject like language arts, math, science, and social studies, and Bible. They will have grade level teams that working together. So there are going to be times where they can be learning together with another class in smaller groups with multiple teachers, and have more students. You have more ways to differentiate and build small groups into the school day. So that's the core classes. And then you have specialist classes. And those are the art classes, the music class. They will have those once a week. And then they'll have 2 PE classes a week. Now, for students in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, they'll also have technology classes where we're going to dive into computer skills. And along with that, we're going to talk about what it means to be a digital citizen. So we're going to talk about digital citizenship. And then on the other tech class, they will explore the basics of coding and then robotics, so engineering, those type of concepts in the other class. We'll do those in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. And then the third piece of a school day is actually one of the students' favorite time of day, and that is recess. I will tell you, like, of all the students I interviewed and talked to, that is the #1 favorite activity on the list. And that doesn't mean they're not learning anything. That means just the time that they enjoy the most. And because they get to play, they get to make friends. And really, when I talk to them why they love recess so much, is because they get to talk to their friends and talk about what they want to talk about, not just what they learn and teacher directed or like teacher structure, but it's that freedom of connecting and building that relationship. When students have good relationship outside the classroom, they learn better in the classroom. So we want recess to be meaningful for students. So you can take quick snack breaks at recess. We'll also have activities they want to engage in, or they just want to sit and chat with each other. There's like different options for students. And then the second favorite part of the student school day is lunch. That's another time where I ask students, like, what's your favorite? Like, that's the second answer I get the most is lunch. Where students are eating with each other, and often we also encourage our teachers and staff to sit with students and eat with them. This is really how we build relationship. Now, when it comes to lunch, you have a couple of choices. You can either bring lunch from home, or you can order, and then we'll have hot lunch delivered to the lunch area. The last component of a school day are special events. Those are the things that kids remember of the school year, right? Those are the special chapel or the special birthday celebrations or 100 days of schools. Those special events really make students remember their school and their experiences. Now, I can't not talk about special event without talking about field trips. We definitely have field trips built into our school year. We are looking at 3 field trips per year. And for 4th and 5th grade, there will be some overnight field trips to look forward to. And those are exciting opportunities for our students to build relationship and explore and know that learning happens both inside the classroom and outside the classroom. Now the school ends at 2:30, so pickup begins at 2:30. For students who are who families who are opting into extended care, the students will be dismissed to extended care, and for those who are getting picked up, a picked up window is between 2:30 to 2:50, which then match junior high and high school, where their class ends at 2:50. And the way the pickup works is you will pick up your elementary school students and you'll go continue down with the traffic flow to pick up your junior high school students. So if you have junior high school students, we thought about that. Any students who are still with us at 2:50, they'll also be brought to extended care. Extended care starts at 2:30 and then ends at 5:30. And within extended care, we're gonna give your student time to have snack. We'll have staff to help them with homework, so you don't have to deal with homework. You can just enjoy family time when you pick them up after extended care. We'll take care of that for you. In extended care, they will also have some activities set up for students. Now, if you want to sign up for enrichment classes, there will be different options every day for enrichment classes that you can sign up for. Things like chess, or soccer, are a couple of arts and a few other things that we're exploring too. We'll have kind of the list of that later in the summer that's confirmed for our enrichment classes. And so we'll run a fall session as well as a spring session, kind of aligned with our school year. And extended care ends at 5:30. So that's a really quick overview of a typical school day.